Need a web form platform to collect data and streamline processes at your government agency? FormAssembly Government Cloud is here. Our FedRAMP Ready plan is built to meet the requirements of government customers, no matter what kind of form you need to create. Form building is straightforward with our drag and drop interface and customizable themes, while smart integrations with systems you already use mean that data goes exactly where you want it to go. Government Cloud also fulfills the security needs of government agencies by meeting federal government encryption standards and offering CAC and PIV authentication. And not only is Government Cloud FedRAMP ready, but it's also PCI DSS Level 1 certified and compliant with HIPAA, GLBA, CCPA, and more. You'll also receive ample admin control in your account and dedicated FormAssembly support along the way. Whether you're building simple contact forms, complex multi-page applications, payment forms, or something else, FormAssembly is the secure, user-friendly platform you can trust. Learn more about Government Cloud by visiting the link in the description.